Rhea Chakrabarti just comes out after a marathon sitting from 11 a.m. this morning till 9 p.m. It's 10 hours of questioning, and Samuel Miranda, helper, secretary, assistant of Sushant Singh Rajput, as well as Siddharth Pitani and Rhea Chakrabarti and her family members were all present there in the ED headquarters in Mumbai. Priyank Tripathi joining me. Priyank, what's the latest that you're getting us from the Enforcement Directorate after the questioning of Rhea Chakrabarti?
See, Navika, Rhea had just left from the Enforcement Directorate office right here, and I could also see Shovik, her brother, going along with her. But no other person could have been seen because there was so much of chaotic situation right here. So we could not see that whether Rhea's father, Indrajit Mukherjee, has also left from here from now. The three other individuals are already present here, Navika. There were 6 of them who were questioned by the Enforcement Directorate since early in the day. Now you have Shruti Modi, Ritesh Shah, as well as Siddharth Pitani being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. I could see Shovik as well as Rhea leaving from here. We are yet to get confirmation that whether Indrajit Mukherjee has also left from here or not. Throughout the day, they were questioned regarding the financial transaction which they had. On 7th, they were called in for questioning, but their answers were not satisfactory. Henceforth, they were told to come up with more documentary proof to substantiate their claim. Basically, the ED was also looking at the 2018 purchase flat by Rhea Chakrabarti, which could not have been substantiated with the kind of income tax return she had filed in the last few years, which showed that her annual income was 18.5 lakh, but the property was purchased at a much higher price. So that is what the ED had been asking her. Rhea has left after approximately 9.5 hours of questioning, which happened at the ED office here.
Well, we also understand from our sources in the Enforcement Directorate that Samuel Miranda has also been there. Remember, there were many calls between Samuel Miranda and Rhea Chakrabarti, and that is also a subject matter of the questioning that the Enforcement Directorate has been doing with Rhea Chakrabarti.
Yes, certainly, Navika, because the Enforcement Directorate wanted to piece together all these evidences which they managed to gather, because, everyone in this camp, Rhea, has been lying. You also seen that how Siddharth Pitani has lied in front of the national television. So those individuals who are expert in lying before the camera, or any individual, are being questioned with the documented fact which has been gathered by the Enforcement Directorate. So it's very clear that the ED officials would have questioned them with the kind of evidences of financial transaction, how has it happened, whether Sushant Singh Rajput had given authority to these individuals to use the money, why Siddharth Pitani kept on transferring the fund of Sushant Singh Rajput to his account, whether he was working officially for him or not, whether he was a salaried person or he was just working on day-to-day need basis. So there were many details which need to come out, and for that these individuals are still being questioned, although Rhea, her brother, has left after questioning by the ED.